Let's get prepared for spouse visa interview questions and answers. The first question is, what is your full name, date of birth, and place of birth? The answer would be, my name is Dash. I was born on Dash and in the name of the place. So you have to put all the genuine answers in all the dashes. Question 2, do you hold any other nationality? The answer would be no. I only hold dash nationality. Or yes, I also hold dash nationality, just in case you hold any other nationality. Question 3, where do you currently live? The answer would be, I currently live in dash with my family. Number 4, what do you do for a living? Answer would be, I work as a dash at dash company or organization. So you have to name your designation and the name of the organization. Question number 5, have you been married before? Is this your first marriage? Is this your spouse's first marriage? The answer should be, this is my first marriage and it is also my spouse's first marriage. If different, please explain that truthfully. Question number 6, do you have any children together or from previous relationship? No, we do not have children yet. Or yes, we have dash children or children together. Just in case you have children, then you have to mention the number of children. Question number 7, what is your spouse's full name, date of birth, and nationality? The answer would be, my spouse's full name is dash. Put the real name, then born on dash, and is a citizen of the name of the place. The interviewer may ask, where does your spouse currently live and with whom? So you are supposed to answer it, my spouse lives in dash at dash address and lives with the name of the relationship that he's currently living with. Further, he may ask, what is your spouse's occupation, job title, and employer? The answer would be, my spouse works as a dash at dash company. Again, you have to say the name of the designation and the name of the company. He may ask, what is your spouse's monthly or annual salary or income? The answer would be, my spouse earns around whatever he actually earns per month or per year. The next question could be, what are your spouse's hobbies and interests? The answer would be, my spouse enjoys dash, dash, and dash. You have to name the hobbies and interests of your spouse. Has your spouse been married before? Does your spouse have children? The answer should be, no, my spouse has never been married before and has no children. And you can adapt if the answer could be different. I mean, the situation could be reverse. Is your spouse a US or UK citizen by birth or naturalization? The answer would be, my spouse is a citizen of dash by dash. So you have to say the actual word. Then, when and how did you meet your spouse? The answer should be, we first met in dash through dash. I've mentioned some of the options, but you have to say the genuine one. Further, the interviewer may ask, who introduced you to your spouse? The answer would be, we were introduced by dash. We met directly at dash. How long have you known each other? The answer should be, we have known each other for dash years or months. You have to put here the actual number of years or months. When did your relationship become serious? The answer would be, our relationship became serious in dash when we decided to plan our future together. How did the proposal happen and when was it? The answer would be, the proposal happened on dash at dash. It was very special for us. Was your marriage arranged or a love marriage? The answer would be, it was a dash marriage. Say whatever it was, like was it love marriage or that was arranged. So the answer has to be the actual one. Next, he may ask, when and where did you get married? The answer would be, we got married on dash at dash. You have to mention venue and the city. Where did your wedding take place and how many guests attended? The answer would be, our wedding took place at dash and around dash guests attended that. Do you have photographs, videos, or evidence of your wedding? The answer would be yes, of course. We have wedding photos, invitation cards, and videos as evidence. Next, he may ask, did both families approve of the marriage? The answer would be yes, both families fully supported and attended the wedding. The next question could be, how do you communicate with your spouse? The answer would be, we communicate daily via dash. The options are WhatsApp, phone calls, video calls, etc. So, whatever the medium is, you can mention the name of the medium. How often do you communicate with your spouse? We speak every day, sometimes multiple times a day. That could be as per your situation. The answer has to be genuine again. When was your last conversation with your spouse and what was it about? The answer would be, we last spoke dash and talked about, that could be daily life, family, future plans, or that could be anything else. When did you last meet your spouse in person? The answer would be, we last met in dash when my spouse visited me or I visited my spouse. Have you visited each other's family? The answer would be yes, I've met my spouse's family and they have met mine, which I'm sure is the case in most of the cases. Then, have you ever visited your spouse's country? The answer would be no, I haven't yet. This will be my first time. Or yes, I visited in. Whenever you visited, you can mention the duration or the time. Where will you live with your spouse in the USA or UK? The answer would be, we will live in dash at dash address. Further, he may ask, is it owned, rented, or provided by someone else? The answer would be, of course, the genuine one, if that's rented or that is owned. So the answer would be, it is a rented or owned property by my spouse. How many rooms does the house or flat have? The house has dash rooms, which is suitable for us. Who else lives there? So the answer would be, currently dash lives there. If no one else, say only my spouse lives there. What things do you and your spouse enjoy doing together? The answer would be, we enjoy dash. That could be watching movies, cooking, traveling, going out with the family, etc. Next, he may ask, what do you usually talk about with your spouse? The answer would be, we talk about our daily life, work, family, and future plans. What language do you both communicate in? So mention the name of the language that you communicate in. And the answer would be, we communicate in, that could be English, Urdu, or any other language. How do you picture your life together in 5 years? The answer would be, in 5 years, I see us settled in dash, both working and raising a family. Do you plan to work or study in the UK or USA after moving? So you should answer it, yes, I plan to dash. That could be find a job in my field or continue my studies. Do you plan to have children or more children? So the answer would be yes, we plan to have children in the future, or we already have children and want to focus on raising them. Why do you want to move to UK or USA? The answer would be to live together with my spouse and build our life as a family. How long has your spouse lived in the UK or USA or Canada or Australia? So your answer should be, my spouse has been living there for, mention the number of years over there. Have you ever applied for a UK or USA visa before? Was it refused? The answer would be no, I have not applied before. Or that could be yes, just in case you had applied for that. Yes, I applied in Dash, but it was refused due to tell the reason. This time we meet all requirements. Have you ever overstayed a visa in any country? The answer would be no, I've never overstayed any visa. Do you have any criminal convictions? The answer would be no, I have no criminal record. Then, who is the joint sponsor if that's applicable? The answer would be the joint sponsor is dash. Who is a dash? That could be a relationship or that could be a job. What is your spouse's phone number and email address? My spouse's phone number is dash and email is dash. What time does your spouse usually go to work and return home? The answer would be my spouse usually goes to work at dash and returns around dash. What side of the bed does your spouse sleep on? The answer would be my spouse usually sleeps on the dash side of the bed. Who usually cooks when you are together? The answer would be we both cook sometimes, but mainly Dash does the cooking. What color is your spouse's car, if any? My spouse drives a Dash colored car.